During unchristened days, black demons appear, who raid people and stab them with their claws, forcing them to go up and down the water, to drown them, to make them wander in vain, until the first roosters crow. And these demons are known by Serbs as Karakondžule, while other Slavs know them as Čort or Čort. Čort or Čort means that something is black, but among Serbs the name Karakondžula was obtained under the influence of Turkish occupation and Greek cultural influence, but also the fact that Serbs tabooed many words that had a demonic or darker meaning. Kara in Turkish means black, and konsulos in Greek means ghost, vampire, or werewolf. These winter demons are known to almost all Indo-European people, but by different names and customs. Greece knows them as Kalakancers. Central and Eastern Europe knows them as Krampus, while other Slavic people know them as Čert or Čort. The unchristened days last from Christmas to Epiphany, and it is believed that that time all the impure forces as well as Karakondžula are most active. There are European customs that are similar to our Karakondžula. In our country, during Christmas or New Year, or so-called Koledo, it was customary that people in vicinity of Leskovac in that period, the so-called Koledari, forced the Karakondžulas with their customs. People masked themselves as horned creatures and were dressed in sheepskin, while holding a wooden saber in one hand and a dogwood stick in the other. They would enter people's houses and hit and jump, and they would make loud noises. They would make fun of the person they called daughter-in-law, a masked man, and they would force out Karakondžule. Those masked people would be called lesnik. Karakondžula or Čort can be connected with the Slavic pagan deity of similar name, Chernobog, Cernobog, while the lesnik can be associated with Volos or Veles, Slavic pagan deity of the forest and shepherds. Karakondžulas were feared by disobedient children, and older people were also afraid of them. It was believed that the Karakondžula sits on the trees above the front door, and if anyone dares to go outside during the night, during the unchristened days, that the Karakondžula will mount them and throw a straw on their head and drive them towards the river, or make them wander until the first roosters crow. I hope you like this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.